Alright guys, I got some of those Pokemon cards from the cereal boxes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch boxes, and I also got some from the Happy Meals. So we're going to be doing some unopenings of these and see what they are. I could not wait any longer, so go ahead and do it. Hopefully we got some cool stuff. I think there's supposed to be a foil Pikachu in every single one of these packs. But hopefully we get some more foils too. That'd be cool. I'm pretty excited. But yeah. Let's see. Darn. All we got was the foil Pikachu. We got Zigzagoon. Not foil. And Cufant, I don't know. Anyways, I'm kind of disappointed, not gonna lie, just because I really did want a foil. I would like to get some foils other than Pikachu, because I think there's a Pikachu in every single one, so I don't know how many Pikachus I really need. I really would like... Oh, thank you. Hell yeah. Got something different. It's a Hatenna. Cool. Very happy about that one. Sweet. And then, of course, another Pikachu. So I don't know if I don't know. I wonder if there's some way to, like, figure that out. Like, which boxes have the foils in them or something, you know? Because obviously not all of them are going to have double foils. And this is a Happy Meal one that we're going to open up. Oh, hell yeah. We got a Piplup. Heck yeah. That's what we got in the Happy Meal one. And then we got some Froakie thing and a Poplio and a Mudkip. I don't know. I mean, those are cool too, but obviously I really just want the foils. I wish I could get a whole pack of foils. Alright. We're going to open up another McDonald's one and probably one more Cinnamon Toast Crunch one real quick. I just couldn't wait any longer. I really wanted to open them up. Been waiting forever to open these things up. Oh, hell yeah. We got a Cyndaquil. Heck yeah. That's awesome. I'm liking that. That's awesome. Got another Piplup. I think that's the one that we got foil, so that's cool. A Tipig and a Chimchar. I don't know. Alright, let's open up another box of cereal. As you can see, it's sealed. Got a lot of cereal to eat now. Probably be eating cereal for the next year. Sorry. Gave some to my neighbor even. Everybody's got cereal. Alright, let's open up another one. And then I guess we'll go over what all foils we got in the end. Come on, hopefully we got another foil. There's a Pikachu. Sweet, we got a Wooloo. Cool. So that was different too. Sweet. Alright, so I don't know if I want to open up another box. I really do. Just because I want to get another foil. But at the same time, I was planning on saving some and not opening up all of them at one time, but let's open up one more. Just one more. Man, we just opened up so many though. Alright, open up one more box. Have to find somebody else to give these to. Alright, sweet. Alright. Hopefully we get a foil that we do not have yet. Come on. Let's hope for a foil that we do not have yet. Alright, I give you guys first look. Oh, no, sorry. Up, it's the Pikachu. Come on, guys. What else? Is that foil? I think we have that one. Hatenna. We got another Hatenna. So, I could probably trade that one. There's a Farfetch'd. Sweet. Man, we got like 4 Pikachus full. So yeah, we got 2 Hatennas, a Wooloo, a Cyndaquil, and a Piplup. Those are all the foils that we got. Pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty damn happy with that. Alright, guys. See you next time. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and comment and all that jazz. Alright, see y'all later.